Good evening, everyone. How's everyone doing? Hi, Nathan. Hi, Luca. Good to see you all. Altcoins are looking good. We did take a trade on Rune. Nathan, have you taken full profits on this, or are you still in this trade fully? Aave trade. What was the Aave trade? Yo, Bitcoin 2020. How's it going? I've just tweeted that I'm live. Just check that. Cool. That's gone through. Any altcoins breaking out today? Bitcoin 2020, Nathan, Crypto Life. We'll wait for a couple of more people to join. We just post them live on Telegram as well. I've not posted on Telegram. What did you use, my strategy, or which strategy did you use, Nathan, on that Aave? I know you're building your own strategy. Yeah, I'll do Celsius in a lot more detailed. Celsius is one of the more important coins, and his Celsius trade is not just about trading, it's a bit more than trading. It's literally done nothing for the past few days. It's just been within this zone. It needs to break this grey level. I'll look at all of these coins, guys. I'll do my Bitcoin bit first, and then we'll look through all these coins. Lune C is at an important level. And what a trade Luna C was. I posted this one live on Twitter. I want Celsius to do what this did. At least like a 200% pump. Let me have a look at Uni for you. We can do Aave as well in a bit more detail. This is breaking out. I would need a green candle though. I wouldn't buy this right now. Yeah, this is broken trend. So all you can do is like try and buy this support. That could be your bet. So something like scalp like this. Do you remember Matic? Was it Matic? I shared a trade on Matic. Like buying support. I'm happy to attempt that in Uni. Was it Matic? So Matic, that trade was beaten. It wasn't Matic. What coin was it? I can't even remember what coin it was. Was it Sandbox? I shared this buying support signal and it worked perfectly. Yeah, this one worked nicely. This was from my zone base. What? It wasn't this one. Oh, I can't remember. We'll have to find it another time. Right, so let's start with Bitcoin and then we'll look at everything else. Before I get started, can I do a sound check that you can hear me well? I'll cover Bitcoin in a bit more detail, my plans, my long-term ideas. We'll update this trading plan that I give every Sunday live stream, and then we'll get started. Just a quick sound check. Say thumbs up. Sevet plus. Moguls is here as well. Hi Moguls. Do say hi guys if you're watching, just say hello. Right. So welcome to Crypto for DEGENS live stream. So I do this live stream every Sunday. We do this live stream. We go through Bitcoin, latest news, and then we look at some altcoin trades. So Rune was an amazing trade this week. We'll review them. I'll share with you a couple more altcoin trades with Bitcoin holding above. I think altcoins might rally. So we'll look at all these altcoins, and then we take your questions as well. You know, Luna C with what's happening, Burn and Pump, Celsius. We look at all of that. These live streams is sponsored by Delta Exchange. So do say hello to them. You can get 30% trading discount and $500 bonus. I'll leave the links below for you to check out. Pretty good exchange, especially for leverage trading. If your leverage trading is, you know, fees eat up a lot of profit. So I will share with you a live scalp trade this week. I posted it on Twitter. I'll go through that trade. Where is it gone? This was our live trade. I'll go through this trade and I'll explain the reasoning behind it. If you're scalping, a 5-minute time frame, fees can hit up, so check them out. And also, none of this financial advice. Again, get a financial advisor. You know, use what I'm saying. Practice it 100 times yourself. Don't go all in because I said I'm buying an altcoin. And just the disclaimer stuff before I get started. So Bitcoin. So my plan was that we break above here, we should come into this target level. And luckily we held above that level. We broke out and we hit 2 targets. Now I'm not sure what happens. I think what happens is Bitcoin just chops like this for this week. And the reason why I'm saying this is FOMC is 26th. Majori, how's it going? Let me bring in FOMC. I think it's 26th of July. Let me just see if it is July, 26th July. So FOMC is the big federal announcement, and that news is going to affect where Bitcoin direction goes next. So I would expect Bitcoin to just chop around the next couple of weeks, and that could be good for altcoins. So this dip, if Bitcoin comes into 20K again or starts holding here, bouncing, that could be really good for altcoins. So that's my plan for Bitcoin, and I would expect after that news event to Bitcoin to break out or Bitcoin to start rejecting here and break down again. So high time frame, I don't think we're going to see a breakout this week. We'll have to see what happens, but what the key thing for me to watch is if you study how long this consolidation take. So from here to there, it took about 32 days. Let me leave that on there. Let's say it broke down then, so about 30 days. So since this bottom, how long have we been in this chop? 30 day would be there. So it's really important that we hold above this level. If we start breaking down like we saw in June last month, that could be really bearish. And I know this is Crypto for DEGENS, we're going to live trade, and I've put in $1,000 in an account and we could live trade that together. I think that will be quite fun. People talk about live trading, so we could do a bit of live trading. I can show you like my trading strategies in a way, and you've seen me trade live Bitcoin, Litecoin, Root was another one. We'll review them as well, but it's really important for Bitcoin to not do this. So not come in here and then we break below. That would be really bearish. And I have bought some spot ETH, as you guys know, if you've been watching these live streams. That's a short scalp, by the way, 1400. I have bought ETH here, and I took first profit when it came here, when it broke out. I took some profit on this ETH. So if you did buy ETH, did anyone buy ETH with me? It's always fun, isn't it? DGen live trading. I think I've always wanted to do like a 1 to 10k challenge. I might do that. That will be pretty fun to do. But I think it'd be fun to do when it's an altcoin season. It's going to be really hard to do it now. So I don't know if any of you took profit on ETH. I have taken some off, and that's just like a small trade idea. Again, I'm not going to just hold it for like a dump, but we'll have to see what happens. By the way, is anyone here from the UK? It is so hot in the UK, it's ridiculous. Anyone here from the UK? It is so hot. We need to start buying aircons in the UK. Yeah, I think I might create a Telegram group, and then once there's enough people, I think that will be quite fun to do. Maybe when there's 100 people in a Telegram group, maybe I can do some live trading. I think that would be quite fun to do. Maybe 1,000 people. I'll see how it goes. Especially next altcoin season, I'll do that. I mean, I've done this in the group, our Rockstar trading group. I'll create like a public group, and then next altcoin season, I'll show how to make money. But yeah, it's so hot in the UK. It's absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, Luca, I just hate the heat. I can't function properly. Like, you know, Nathan was saying, when you're tired, I feel like that. So let me go back to Bitcoin. So high time frame, what we don't want to see is the same thing. If we break 19.8k, especially after this FOMC event, that will be really bearish, and I'd expect a down low to 14k. Someone said 10k. I'd expect to move down to 14k or even lower if we break this. So let's pray to God we don't break to 19.8k and 18.68. These are the two key support levels I got on my chart. What we want to see is this chop and then breakout. If we start seeing that next week, I'm happy to take a trade. I think that would give us a rally into 23, 24k and then potentially higher. So I would be watching for that trade. I think that would be fun, Nathan. I'll see what I can do. I am in an ETH short. I think I posted it when I shorted it. Let me share with you my entries on that. I can post it in the group. I'll share it with you in a second. You know, people always, that's why I said if I do a live trading, but I think I'd want at least 1,000 people, because I don't want to I'd be spending so much time on it. I think it would take me maybe 8 hours a day. So maybe I'll pick one day to do it. This is a live trade. To give me 2 seconds, I'll just post it now. I'm still in this ETH trade, and I'll probably hold it. So 376. I didn't get the best entry. You guys just want trades. You don't care about analysis, do you? I want to like help you guys learn trading more. So I wanted to smack a short there, but I wasn't at my desk. So I got in at 3786. So where is that? Somewhere here on the 1 minute time frame I degened in, and I'm gonna hold that because I've bought spot ETH, so I think I'll hold that. And if we start breaking back above here, I'll exit. But you can see my spot. This could turn into like a long-term short as well. What's BTC doing? Oh, he's sold off. We're on a live stream and we're selling off. Why are we selling off? And I'm not, this is the thing, when you live stream and live trade, I don't know anything about the news. Like, is anything happen on Twitter, on social media? ETH BTC is holding there. Let me have a look. Do I want to long it? You know, if I just live trade, I'm not going to do this live stream. You guys will be just watching this for ages. I mean, that could be a trade. If it just spikes, I'm out. But that could be a little scalp trade. You can go up to here. We put a trade on. So you can see I've put a 1k in. Have I put 1k in? Yeah, I've got 1k in here. So what I try and understand, what I explain is when I put a short on, is making sure that you know your stop loss. So when I teach my strategy, I don't teach first 2-3 episodes on my course is all about, let me just bring this in, is all about risk management and psychology, because you could make any strategy work, but you can have the best strategy, but you won't make money. So it's really important to have psychology and strategy in place. So if I bring that chart in again, what I want to, Nathan, you would understand this. What I want to know is that, let's see your stop loss is there, 20796, 207, just below, what's this, 28, yeah, I want it below that, 20790. So if you buy that and your stop loss is there, you need to understand how much your loss is. So in this account, so if I'm risking, let's say I want to risk 10% of my account, I'm going to be risking $10. So it's knowing how much you're risking. That's the important bit. Do you guys understand that? It's nothing about to do with trading. It's just understanding the risk. So if I just do this, I'm risking 10% off my account on this. And I'd look to take some off. Is it filled? Where's my stop loss? Oh, it's not filled me. Come on. So then I'm in for that stop loss. Right, let's carry on with the stream, guys. Otherwise, I'm not going to do any So high time frame, the two most important levels on the chart is this breakout level, so 219. If we can break out above that, I don't like Monday breakouts. If we break out Tuesday, another lower high, we break out above, I think that will be a long signal towards 2372. So that will be the main trade I'm looking at next week for shorter time frame. Long term, I don't want to buy a breakdown. I would like a breakdown round about here. It says 19th of July. I would like it on the 26th. I mean, if I could draw a line here, let's draw a line there, 26th of July. If we do see a breakdown around here, I would look to potentially short a Bitcoin, but the key thing is 19.8 and 18.7k. If we start breaking below here, you've degened in. Anyone else degened in? The thing is, my live streams are small, so we could like degen into some altcoins as well. I have this live stream plan, but I think we're just going off script. I hope you guys don't mind. So that's what I'm looking at high time frame, guys. Really important support. Write this down. I'll post it in the group. Key support levels 19.8k and 18.7k. Below these levels, look for shorts, or at least reduce position. So that is the most important update from me. If we start getting back above, I mean, altcoins, I shared few altcoin trades, and let me review a Bitcoin trade for you guys first, because I posted that one live on Twitter. So I want to talk about it, explain the reasons why. Shortmatic. I'm not shortmatic now. I was shortmatic. Should we stop Dylan out? Let's longmatic. This is DEGENS Livestream, guys. We're not here to play around. Let's longmatic. What's happening to my... Come on. Hi Rahman, how's it going, mate? FXF breakout. I don't know what's happening here. This is annoying me. Let me... Are you buying any coins, mate? Right, it's FX. I don't know what you mean. Right, so let's review my trade. So I posted a trade, and I'll review that trade now because I had lots of questions about it. So the reasoning for this long. So let me go to this BTC long. You bought some Bitcoin, awesome. So you guys can start seeing me. So this is how I scalp. I try to scalp in the Rocko trading group at least once a week. But again, no guarantee on that. I'm not saying join my group for live trading. I just felt like live trading. I was trading stock market, so that's what I live trade, and I just wanted Bitcoin just looked really good. So let me explain the reasoning for this long. So high time frame, we start on the 4 hourly. So this is the longs I posted. Osama, how's it going? And this is all documented, so you can check the date, time when I posted. Spike up. I was waiting for ETH to break out. ETH broke out, hit target, and I wanted an ETH high. It was just really beautiful how it worked, and we let it run as well. So it was a really nice trade, and I just want to document it so you guys can start applying this to yourself. So high time frame, what happened was we broke this key level, and this was one of my biggest supports. If you go onto the daily, the 4 hourly, the trend is up. Once we broke this, in my opinion, the trend is up. Someone long Solana. I would say less long Matic and stop short squeeze Matic. So that was my long. That gave me the long signal, and then I said, if you guys watch the previous live stream, you can look to buy this. I just didn't like that. So my strategy, if you blindly follow it, that is a long. So more people would make money if they just blindly follow my strategy, following trend at key support level, buying pullbacks. They'll make more money. One great example, Nathan took this as well, is Rune. Rune came into our level, amazing, exactly at 50%. People talk about does Fibonacci work? Look at that beautiful trade. Can you guys see that? Exactly at this. And I posted this setup beforehand as well. I know people, oh, did you post it? You can check when I posted this long setup, the date, 15th of July. So I posted this setup beforehand, Rune, buy zone. So that gave me a better signal that, look, it's bullish, I'm going to look to buy. And then it broke out. I didn't buy it there. Maybe I should have. I didn't buy it. It came in the morning as well. I didn't take that trade. We trend changed and I was like, look, I want to long now because I think Bitcoin goes up. So I woke up this morning expecting a bullish trend. So I was here and I find a really nice breakout. My indicator was pointing me bullish. You can see that trend change here. Can you see that? Above my 20 EMA, above 200 EMA, everything lines up. And there's a video on my YouTube channel completely free. By the way, we've got about 20 people watching. Let's see if we can get to 50 likes. That's the plan. If you guys are watching, enjoying this content, do hit that like button. It's not as popular today, so maybe not 50 likes, but we'll see. I think last week we did bad. The week before we hit 50. Anyways, so everything bullish. Come in. I'm waiting for a 5-minute green candle. Here we go. That is the 5-minute green candle, and that's when I went long. It spiked up, pulled back, spiked up, and hit my target. Beautiful trade. And I posted exactly when I was taking off. So I took 25% off. I took another 25% and left 10% to run, and then it moved into here. That's when I took left 10% to run. Unfortunately, you guys will see it's just stopped me out before another leg higher. But position wise, 1% there, 1.75%, and this is on leverage, 20x leverage. Really nice trade. And then people that were asking, I posted it on Twitter as well. Good morning, I'm longing Bitcoin. By the time I posted, you can see there's a little spike. I managed to post it in the Rocko trading group exactly when I logged it, but by the time I posted it, it moved. I don't think I moved Bitcoin. Bitcoin is too big for me to move. But that was the short Bitcoin trade, and that is what I try and do. I just wait and try to get these trades and see if we can get little rallies. So that's short time frame. Long term, not much changes. Let me just go back. Long term, key levels that I've written. Two most important support levels, 19.8k and 18.7k. If we start breaking below, I'll be scared. I'll be shorting lots of coins. I talked about ETH. I've smacked a short on ETH already. I'll be looking for lots more shorts. For now, I'm cautiously bullish on Bitcoin. I'm happy to long some altcoins as long as Bitcoin just chops around here. If you ask for my predictions, again, we're traders, we're not predictions. I mean, you'll see lots of people make predictions. People that make predictions on Twitter and social media, they don't make money, they don't trade. Trading is different to trading. Trading is different to just predicting the market or being a technical analyst. So if you ask for my predictions, which predictions don't make me money, I would say Bitcoin chops around here until probably 26th of July. Next week, I expect to see a breakout. Long term, two key levels is 19.8 and 18.7k. If we break below, higher probability we get another flush down. At least it will take this level out, 17k, potentially towards 14k. So I don't want to see that, but that's the way the dollar strength is looking. If you look at the dollar strength, we've not seen dollar at these prices. You know, dollar's not been this high since 2002. Stock market hasn't broken this much support since the COVID break. So these are really big effects that are having on the market. So if stock market crashes again, no one can help Bitcoin, unfortunately, and we will see a big sell-off in Bitcoin and your favorite altcoin. So let's pray to God that, you know, Dixie does well, stock market can start trend changing, then we can be bullish. I mean, the times that we're in is unprecedented times. €1 is equal to $1. You know, few years ago it was 1.5. So 50%, I mean, that is just absolutely ridiculous. Not 50%, but, you know, 35% is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, if you talk about US from $1, I mean, it was 50% higher. That is not normal. And we're literally very, very scary times. I do believe in crypto, whether it's this year, next year, 4 years, 5 years from now. I think we'll see an altcoin cycle. We saw this. I said the same thing here. I don't know when it happened. It took about 3 years for us for the next cycle. Maybe this takes 3 years, 4 years. I don't know, but I'm confident we'll see it again. Our goal is to make little money here and there, trade it. I posted a trade here, and Root almost doubled in price. There's lots of positive news on Root. It's one of the altcoins I'm long storage. I'll go into altcoins now. I'll post these long setups on Twitter and these live streams. Again, make sure like, subscribe, and all that cool stuff. We'll make some money. Make sure you protect your capital, learn strategies, mine or someone else's, so you can capitalize when we do get that move. So that's me done. I know it's been a bit crazy live stream today. We've been all over the place live trading, trying to short squeeze someone. But that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Any questions on Bitcoin? I'm gonna share with you a couple of my own altcoins, and then we'll open the floor up to you guys. So any questions on Bitcoin? You don't care about Bitcoin? Come on, why don't you care about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the most important coin. If Bitcoin fails, all coins fail. Short scalp, I could bring that on. So this is like a DEGEN trade. Come on, guys, get rid of. So we're slightly in profit in our trade. So this is that 1K I put in to just live trade on Delta Exchange. I think we get a push up. My first target would be around here, this resistance level, so around 21,180, and that is like a 1-to-1, isn't it? Stop is here. I mean, I will cut it there. If I'm scalping, I'll cut it there. I don't want to take a big loser. And target, yeah, that is a 1-to-1. You remember, Gerald? What do you remember? It's like a 1-to-1. So yeah, target would be that small resistance I can see on the 5 minute. Let me draw a line on it. My computer's being really slow today. And we won't be DEGENS unless we open a 1 minute chart. Let's open a 1 minute chart. I'll allow a spike into here, but it should not break below there. The stream. By the way, we got 25 people watching. Let's see if we can get to, well, let's say 30 likes. I think 50 likes is too much of an ask. What stream do you remember, Gerald? Right, so let's talk about some altcoins. So my favorite altcoins, I'm gonna share with you these that I posted in our Rocko trading group. So Rune was our favorite one. You can see at the top. So I still think, I would say I wouldn't take Rune now. So that was my trade setup, buying the same thing that I teach, same strategy. I mean, the reason why my strategy works is the simplicity. Like, people that don't know how to trade will make it complicated so you don't understand what you're doing. Same setup, breakout, pull back to 50% 618, Bitcoin held and moved up. Same setup on Rune. That's why I try and teach one thing. I don't teach anything too complicated because that's what confuses new people. What makes me money is the risk management, knowing when to cut, knowing when to take profit. It's not about the entry. People a lot richer than me, my mentor as well, he just smack along. He doesn't care. You're just like, I'm buying now. You just smack it long. So that's what matters long term. So anyways, that's Rune. If you want to buy Rune, I'd probably wait. I like Rune above 250. I think that's when I'll buy Rune. And I was joking about Matic because I know Matic has a huge short interest. That's why I just said, oh, let's do a short squeeze. I don't know why. Who said they're short Matic? Matic has a very for some reason Matic has a very large short position. So if it does pump, this can short squeeze. That's why I said let's just short squeeze people. I was joking, by the way. This is not a swing trade. If you guys follow me, I like longing here. If you watched my live stream a couple of weeks ago, I shared a long in Matic. That worked beautifully. And not all my trades work. Aave didn't work out, so I'm not just cherry picking winners. I shared a trade on Aave that got stopped out. I bought it here. It stopped me out and then pumped. Oh, Dylan, that is such a good point. Luca, are you long Matic or short? I think someone said they want a short Matic. Yeah, I think longer term, yes. I mean, but I wouldn't short now though. I want to see confirmation breakdown. But again, it depends. If you're like, the reason for smacking a short on ETH is I'm spot long ETH. So if ETH dumps, I've got ETH that I've bought on Coinbase, and Coinbase, you pay quite high fees. I mean, if you see my fees on Coinbase, yeah, 100% Dylan. That's why I'm just a bit scared. And then altcoins can pump more. Altcoins is easily spike. What would give me, and I would look to short Matic, and I shorted Matic this dump. I got stopped out in Matic. I shorted Matic here. I got stopped out when it moved up. And then I said, look, it's holding above here. I'm happy to long. So for me to short Matic, I would need to see it break some support. So by support, I mean this zone. If it breaks this level, I'm happy to take some shorts. But until then, I'm a bit scared. And only long Sol at the moment. Yeah, I like Sol. I'll have a look at Sol. And the reason why is, right, you can get really good entries. But what I teach is a trend follow strategy. And the trend is up. And I try to take opinions out the way. And for me, I've been looking at charts 8 years, 20 hours a day sometimes. 3-4 years, I didn't have a girlfriend, didn't have a job. All I did was look at charts, live in one room, eat, microwave food. And that was my life. It was a bit sad. I try to balance, have some holidays and all this stuff. And I'm not making any YouTube videos lately, just doing like a couple of live streams a week. But the point I was trying to make was it's really important to understand and follow some rules, because if you don't follow rules, you could easily lose all your money. And following trend will make you more money in the long term. If you're more experienced, yes, you can short it. You can get some very sniper entries. There's a couple of guys in my group, they'll short like the tip, and I can't even do that. My edge is making money here, or like 1 minute scalping. Like I do quite well just degening, but I can't really teach that, because 1 minute I'll be like, yeah, I'm long, I'm short. You can't really do that. That's why I said if I do like a 1k to 10k challenge, I'll do it on altcoins, because you can make, if one coin pump, like Rune, I live traded that. That was really nice. Or Root doubled in price. Anyone here bought Root? I mean, Root doubled in price. This is news related as well. I've got a friend, Alpha Seeker. He's crazy long. I've posted all these moves. He's massively long Root. So, okay, Rune, I like storage. I still like storage. One of my friends, he trades in Bitcoins. He thinks storage will break out. I took storage. This spike, I exited. Nathan, you should remember, or some other people might remember. If storage breaks above here, I'm gonna buy storage. I'm gonna draw a line on it. That guy has got way more money than me. I don't know why he likes storage so much. He's long storage and QNT. I was looking to short QNT, then I got scared. So QNT hasn't hit target yet. I posted about QNT as well. This is why that spike, you should take at least some off. It's come into this resistance, and people, you know, this is if you want educational, so I explained this in my course, but one of the quick bits to teach you is resistance is not one line, it's a zone. So this is the resistance zone. Resistance isn't one line, because if you just wait for this resistance, the market never got there. Rune worked perfectly. Rune was an easy trade. It just bounced from my level and hit target. Boom, like just beautiful bounce, target, out. But not all trades are this beautiful. Most trades are really choppy. Aave was choppy. Aave, I don't know. Aave, I don't know if I would have taken profit. It still came into my resistance, but maybe I would have sold half. But Aave wasn't as obvious to me as the other coins. Long Sol, let me have a look at Sol. Someone said they're long Uni. Who's long Uni? Let me have a quick look at Sol. Yeah, Sol's not bad, but I would wait. I don't think Sol's just an entry for me. If I get a green candle here, maybe Sol is a long. What's your target, Luca, for Sol? What's the sell the news event, Dylan's? I'm just reading through comments now. What's the sell the event for Matic? I'm not aware of any news sell event. $39.05. Oh, you're just in a scalp long. So this is same as my Bitcoin long in a way. But yeah, let me know what the sell the news event is. Yeah, I like that. And then also you're long Uni. Let me have a look at Uni. Yeah, not bad. Similar to my Bitcoin scalp. Again, Uni was one of my favorite coins, guys. I loved Uni. I made so much money on Uni. This was one of my favorite coins. This just went absolutely parabolic. 10x trade. I've loved it. But for now, it's just downtrend. Maybe a short-term rally, but I did say, yeah, I'll leave that on. We'll see. Next live stream, ask me if this works. So I said long around this support and then see if it moves up. I'll leave that on there. See if it works. Hi, Christian. How's it going, mate? Okay, I'll check one more coin, Lido. And I talked about this before. I did buy some Lido. This is looking really nice. Trend is up. I think 150 or 140 was my entry. I wouldn't probably buy this now. I'd want to see some strength coming in. So I'll set an alert on this. Maybe I need to sell this. Above this, I'm happy to buy Lido again. Fundamentally, this is a strong picker. So that's all the coins from me, and I've done my analysis on Bitcoin as well. Where's that long that I posted? Was it here? There we are. That was all long, wasn't it? It needs to hold this pullback now. Even the 1 minute trend. I don't know. If you're new, you shouldn't even be looking at, you know, a 1 minute time frame. Right. It's up to you guys now. So next 20 minutes. Well, how long have I been talking for? I feel like I've been talking for ages. Yeah, 45 minutes. Yeah, next next 20 minutes is over to you guys. Any altcoin requests, any questions, fire at me. We'll look through it. I'll quickly do our favorite Luna. What's Luna doing? Is it still dumping? So Luna was my favorite coin. It's not quite hit my target of my short. I posted a short setup on Luna. Check Twitter when it broke below, and yeah, it's just been dumping. It's not quite hit my target. And then Loon C. Someone asked about Loon C. I think it's already had a pump. I don't know if he's gonna pump more. Yeah, I like Zcash. Yeah, Zcash and Monero are two of my favorite privacy coins. Zcash hasn't. I was quite long Monero and Zcash. Zcash didn't make me money. Monero did. Zcash was annoying. So Looncy, I'm not a big fan now. I think there needs to be some other news of more burning before I buy it. I don't know what to say clearly, but I would say I don't want to say I don't buy into that FUD. I can see what the FUD is about. They haven't shared exactly how they've... Okay, I didn't know that. Maybe I should have brought more Matic, or at least closed my short earlier in Matic. Thanks for that news. So maybe I'll watch Matic for a short. I'll add a line on it. So my thoughts, and I'm going to spend some time talking about... So what I try and do is, this Sunday live stream, I'll do it every week, like 100%. Every Sunday I'll do this live stream. For midweek, I'll try and do at least one I'm going to stop doing videos because I know there's some 1K views, but I just... with this bear market, I think everyone goes away. You know, people that are actually, you guys that are watching, you guys are the ones that will make money next time, and then you can dump on these new people. If you check my views on a bull market, there's like 5K, 10K views, and then in a bear market, you can tell there's no one in. But anyways, my plan is I'll do a Sunday live stream, and then Wednesday I'll do like a news-related live stream where I talk about the news. So I talked about Mount Gox here. I did an FOMC live stream. So that's sort of my plan. But I'll talk about Tether now. I think Tether is backed, and that's the famous words. I have seen Tether FUD since 2017. If it wasn't for Tether, and I'm not saying have all your money in Tether, I personally have moved some money off Tether to USDC, and you know, in my Rockstar trading group, I posted it. If you can check it out, USDC. So we've moved some money into USDC. I don't know when it was. I think, yeah, it was May time. I moved some money into USDC. And the reason why I did it is just exactly as you. There's some Tether FUD. Do I think that Tether will go to zero? I don't think it will. And like I said, it could be famous last words. And I do say, if you've got money, try to have it diversified. I'm promoting Delta Exchange, but don't have all your money in Delta Exchange. If you want to help me out, it will take you 2 minutes. Just open an account or even put $50 in. It would mean a lot to me. But, you know, don't have all your money in, because the first thing we need to think about is, and I've written letters on this, I've articles, our job in crypto is being in the game. As long as you're in the game, you're likely to succeed. As long as you don't do anything dumb like go all in one coin and let it go to zero, you're gonna make money in crypto as long as you're in this markets. As long as you play one of these cycles, you're gonna make money. And we've seen these cycles now. So our job is not to lose all your money, and to protect ourselves, don't be all in Tether. Have some money in USD, have some money in USDC. If you can trade with USD, so on Delta, you can have your money there. Don't have all your money in one exchange. Have your money spread from Coinbase, Binance, FTX, Delta, bitmex, Bybit. Have your money spread around. And you know, I'm just being completely honest. If I hear anything bad about Delta, I'll let you guys know, saying, look, stay away from Delta, get your money out. But again, don't have all your money in. Those are the things that you need to be doing. If you hodl more than, you know, 5-6 figures of Bitcoin or altcoin, don't have it. You know, try to take it out of exchanges. Have a hardware wallet. Don't, you know, if money is on exchanges, that is not your money. Oh, come on, who's this guy? I was just getting into a rant, and this person just came in. Let me just ban him. Just give me 2 seconds. I was just getting into my rant. So yeah, so have your money spread across, have some money. If you believe in Bitcoin and you hodl, you know, some Bitcoin, just move the money out. Our job is to have money capital saved, and that is what I try and teach. And you know, check out my group. I live stream every day, like not every day, I live stream 3 to 4 times a week. But the job for us is like protecting our wealth, and I can't explain that to you enough. You don't even need me. Like, I'm making these videos, all you need to do is learn some strategies, learn trend, and when the trend is up, you don't need me to make money. Buy any altcoins. Literally take a dart, open CoinMarketCap chart, and then literally throw darts on this chart, and then pick 10-20 coins. You make more money doing that. In an altcoin season. In an altcoin season, every coin is going up 20%, 100%. You don't need to be a genius. Now, most coins are going sideways. So picking now is really hard. And I've been trading 8 years and I still struggle. My win rate hasn't been great past few days. So anyways, I digress. And hopefully that helps, because that if I could just explain, and my views are less, and if I could tell, if every crypto guy knew that what I just said in the past 5 minutes, they're more likely to succeed than you know, any newbies that just, you know, or even most Twitter accounts. They don't make money. Right, so sorry I digressed. What are the altcoins you want me to review? And yeah, next 15-20 minutes I'll just look at your altcoins. Oh, I banned him. How has he got back in? Is annoying me. Yeah, I can have a look at XRP, LN. Yeah, I mean, XRP could be a short. Celsius, Sevet, I'm gonna do Celsius next. Apologies for Celsius delay. A short time frame, XRP is giving me a short signal. Something like this. Shall I smack a short on XRP? Our trade that we took, DEGENS trade, that's up slightly. I'll leave that for another day. But XRP short time frame doesn't look good. Long time frame, that trade works. So yeah, I meant XRP. So I trade a similar share today. Uni, I've shared a similar trade as I did on XRP. Where's XRP gone? So Uni, I've shared an exact same trade as I did with XRP. XRP, did you take the LN? Just same thing, buy, support, sell, resistance. Long term, I've got an alert there. I might buy XRP myself above there. Above there, I'm happy to buy XRP myself. Litecoin, and then I'll do Celsius. I'll do a bit of a rant on Celsius again. So Litecoin is just pumped up. So I shared that short setup there on Litecoin, and I've shared a couple of scalps. So let me just review Litecoin. So I've shared a couple of longs and shorts. They were quite beautiful. Now, if you did short Litecoin, or you just buy and hold, if Litecoin starts breaking back above 56, close this trade. If you took it, it should not get back above there if it's bearish. But yeah, high time frame, a couple of coins I want to short. Matic, maybe, if someone said there's like a sell the news event, so maybe Matic. But a couple of coins I want to short is Bitcoin Cash. I really want to short Bitcoin Cash. I don't know where I'll get to short it, but I'm planning an entry to short Bitcoin Cash. I think this will go a lot lower. Where's Bitcoin Cash chart? I always forget Bitcoin Cash chart. These are some long-term shorts. If Bitcoin and everything starts breaking down, I would ideally like to short it above there, but if not, if it starts breaking below even this support level, I'd look to start shorting Bitcoin Cash, EOS. These are a couple of altcoins that I don't like, and I think it will go lower. So these are shorts that you can look to take, and these are like long-term shorts. Do you guys remember AVAX? What an entry short that was. I'm still holding some short on this AVAX. I said above there we'll target 100. It didn't get back above, not a single candle close, can you see? And then boom, sell off. That was my short, and it's documented on Twitter. Alan, yeah, do share that with me on, is it true? Let me tweet this. Is Elon actually buying Litecoin? If I get hate for this, I'm going to blame you, Alan. I'm gonna do that face. I like that meme. Where's that girl meme where she has her hands up? So yeah, let's talk about Celsius. So if you follow me on Twitter, I talk a lot about Celsius, and we had a really nice pump in Celsius. I played this pump myself. I played this one as well. It didn't work out for me, so I bought here. This was like doubled my money on this. This one I lost money. This sell-off I sold. Now it's just, I don't really know what to say. It's just going sideways, choppy. I shared this chart on Twitter, and fundamentally I think the longer it goes, the less likely it will pump or short squeeze. And I wouldn't just buy and hope. I would rather wait to see a breakout and then buy and try and ride it. That's how I deal with it. But from a trading point of view, I do want to bring technical analysis in, because you don't just want to buy and hold. Like if you just bought and hold here, I suppose you'd be in profit now still. But mine was a trade, and type in Celsius short quiz, you'll see my many trades on this and many posts on this. And fundamentally, I do support this cause. I think, you know, cryptocurrency, whatever you talk about Luna, and I'm going to do a tweet on this. I'm just so busy, I just don't get a chance. Whatever you think about Luna, guys, Luna, we saw it live on chain. The whole crash happened. By the way, you got 31 people watching, guys. Please do hit that like button. Let's see if we can get to at least 30 likes. Yeah, whatever people think about Luna, we saw it on chain what was happening. We saw what was happening with Anchor Protocol, or the liquidations, people exiting. It was all done live, and that is why I think crypto needs to work. That is why I think decentralized finance needs to work, because it's all on chain. We can see it. Whereas, you know, Voyager, Celsius, or 3 Hours Capital, we didn't have a clue what they're doing. We don't know what they hold. That is why the market is so bearish, because, you know, it was well-known fact. The reason why I shorted AVAX is because 3 Hours Capital had to sell millions, hundreds of millions worth of AVAX token. That's why I shorted AVAX. Maybe it's a long now, and I'll wait for a breakout to talk about it, maybe next live stream. But we've seen this huge move happen, and we need to wait for these big moves before, because in DeFi you can see this happen on chain, whereas these big players, they could be stealing money and we don't have a clue. 3 Hours Capital is an example. That's why I'm talking about this short squeeze. Celsius, Voyager, there's so many companies that we don't have a clue on what they're doing with our money, and that's why I'm such a strong believer on DeFi. And even if Luna didn't work, it doesn't mean DeFi doesn't work. It means one protocol that tried failed. So I really want, and you could probably see my passion coming out of this chat now in this live stream, that we really need DeFi, we really need Bitcoin. And obviously we've got financial interest in it, but I think it's a lot more than finance for us to succeed. And you know, we've seen what the world is in now. It's not great with everyone, with the war, with inflation, high interest rates. And I strongly believe this, you know, and it's not just me. There's someone called Ray Dalio. He's one of my favorite writers. I love his content. Go read him. A lot of things I say or learn is from him. And he talks about this. It's all a cycle. And even wars, it usually happens when there's some unrest. If everyone is happy, there's not enough, you know, discrimination or racism in this world. It's all about happiness. When there's not enough money, we blame the immigrants, we blame, you know, Ukraine, we blame Russia, we blame China and all this stuff come up. And he basically makes the argument that, you know, wars are linked with like in happiness and how the country is doing economically. And it just, I believe in that when I read it. And I think, again, you guys can let me know what you think, but I strongly believe that. And I think Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and decentralized finance has a huge part to play. I think today's live stream, if you guys are watching, you're thinking, what the F is it? It's not technical analysis or trading. This is just been rants and moans, but hopefully you guys could understand a bit of it. Okay, any more altcoin requests? ETC, I don't like ETC. I'll have a ETC now. I just had a bit of water. ETC is pumping. Is it news related? I don't know. I just don't like ETC. Did you like that? Did you agree with me, Sevets, when I talked about Celsius? Rose, yeah, I can have a look at Rose. Been speaking for over an hour now, so I'll start cutting the live stream soon. AR, yeah, I can do AR for you. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, this is huge sort of support resistance. If you ask for my prediction, I don't like it. But trading wise, you can follow my trade setup. It has trend change. You can look to buy a pullback around here. You'll probably make more money if you don't listen to me and follow my trade strategy. And what else did you ask? Ape. You know, one coin I want to buy is Looks Rare. I've just not had a setup on this. I bought Looks Rare. We rode this. I traded here as well. Once we got back below, I got out. I think Looks Rare will pump. They actually make money in crypto, and I like investing in coins that make money, like exchange tokens. Uniswap has huge amount of money. Yeah, I just did ETH Classic. I did share a pullback setup on ETH Classic. Oh, everyone's gonna hate me on. What are they saying? Actually, there's nothing. Is that the rumor? Alan, is that the rumor? 8th largest holder. Twitter is basically on YouTube. What I say, I mean, I'm talking for an hour, so you can understand exactly what I think about trading. But Twitter, I just use it more for fun. Maybe that's Elon Musk. Thanks, Norbert. Really appreciate it, mate. By the way, guys, about 30 people watching. Let's see if we can get to 30 likes. I don't like ETH Classic long term. I'm not. I mean, there's a live stream where I rant about ETH Classic and Ethereum, which is the real Ethereum. But again, my money is on Ethereum with Vitalik now. But trading wise, that won't be a bad trade. If it comes in, finds support here, you can look for a long. It's around $16. So Ape, I don't have a setup, but I do like Ape. I do like where is it gone? Yeah, here. Trend change above there. I wanted to buy there. We didn't. Breakout above here. I'm happy to look to buy it. So I do like Ape. And this is a very big level if it can break out above. Let me set an alert on this. I might trade this myself. I'll post and let you guys know if I do buy it. Nathan, are you still here? How's our Bitcoin long doing? So that's ETH and Ape. I've done Celsius. Sevet, what did you think about my Celsius analysis? Rose or Celsius rant? Rose is not bad. I think it wants to break out, doesn't it? So this is like some of the coins I've talked about today. So AVAX, again, next week could be amazing. If we get breakouts in these coins, that could be amazing. Now AVAX could be breaking out of here. And I've been shorting AVAX. I'll look for longs in AVAX. I'll move my alert up myself. Luna, yeah, Luna's not doing good, sir. Do I like Luna? I wouldn't say I like Luna, but I still want them to succeed. Yeah, it's not done anything, has it? Quant, I'm long Quant. I like Quant. Pump Quant. I was looking to short Quant, and then that was my entry. Had a nice little rally in this. Break below here, I'll probably look to short Quant, but now it's looking good. They've got news as well in Quant. Let me just finish off all the requests. So that's row. I've done rows. Uni, look at Uni again. So Uni, I said, is a buy the support trade setup for me. I wouldn't touch it now, and I've not got a bag of Uni. I will reaccumulate, and I did take a loser in Uni. I bought Uni here. It rallied up about 30%. I didn't take profit because I was accumulating for a potential low. Bitcoin was around 30k, and then once we broke down here, I had to sell my bags, and it was a decent position. That was a big loss for me. I love Uni. It's one of my, I think I've got like a, not a love hate. I feel like I've got a relationship to this coin because I've been involved with the community a bit. I just love the project, what they did, and Uni was one of the innovations of this cycle, I'd say. It was an amazing, and lots of people copied. I mean, PancakeSwap copied. There's probably exchange token on every place they copied Uniswap. Quant, ETH, AR. Let me do AR. We'll finish off with Bitcoin. Thanks, mate, JS. Let's see if we can get to 30 likes. In a bear market, we can't. Well, I used to talk about 100 likes, but then I dropped to 50 likes, and now we can't even get 30 likes. So we're 3 off 30 likes. If we can hit that, that would help me out. And like I said, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, do hit that like button. Check out that Delta Exchange. They sponsor this. So it probably take you 5-10 minutes. Just sign up, put some money in if you want to support this live stream. And yeah, but again, just hit the like button. That's all I ask from you. That's completely free. AR, I think it's already moved a lot. I probably, unless, has it got news, AR? If AR hasn't got news, I probably don't want to buy it. Has AR got news? If not, it is just rejecting at this resistance. Yeah, America is a harder place. I might message them. I might message them. But I wouldn't buy AR now. It's at resistance. Yeah, I don't like it. You sold AR at 15. Beautiful. I would sell 15. 15 is a big resistance. I mean, 15 is this. That's how you trade. Amazing crypto life. Hey, 30 likes. I think that's all the coins you guys requested. I'm going to round up with BTC. And GVR, I don't know nothing about GVR. Be careful with like buying coins in this type of exchanges. Ape, I said I like Ape. I've not got Ape, but I like Ape. I've got an alert on Ape as well. Trend change above 520. Same setup I was looking for. I did buy Ape here. Same thing. I just keep going on about. first target hit and then it faked out and dumped. I didn't make money on there because I made some money here, then I bought some more, and then that stopped me out. So overall I think I made a little bit, but not much. And then yeah, what is that? FXF, let me check. Is it on here? Oh, it is on Uniswap. What does this do, Bitcoin 2020? I mean, this is pumping. I wouldn't buy this. Like, this is just in a massive downtrend. I'm not gonna buy unless you know something about it. I'm not gonna touch this. Well, Bitcoin 2020, you've been here. I probably trust you. So what is going on with this? It's an exchange. Is it decentralized exchange? Maybe we can let me know next live stream. We'll have a look at it again. Right, so let's just finish off with Bitcoin. I'm just going to keep it really high time frame. The most important support level is here. As long as we hold this gray support 19.8k, I'm leaning bullish, and I expect it just to chop. My prediction, I said at the last stream, I think this week we just get a chop zone, and then there's probably 20-30% chance we do get a breakout towards 25k, 24k, but I think most likely is a chop. If we do break down again, I don't think we'll break down next week. I'm expecting more chop, but if we do break down below 19.8, 18.7k, do exit some and protect your capital. Same thing I said here. If it spikes and gets back above, you can start buying. Same thing I said at 30k. Same thing I said when we broke below here. If we do trend change below, do exit. Take some, if you have 100k account, maybe sell 50k and buy some after, and all that good stuff. So okay, send me some information, mate. I'll have a read. I always like to get in exchange tokens, so yeah, do let me know. So that's the video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on the notification button, all that good stuff. This live stream is sponsored by Delta Exchange, so go check them out, show them some love if you want to help us out, and you can check out our group as well if you want take your trading to the next level, live stream courses and all that good stuff. But again, my only ask is, if you enjoy this type of content, just hit that like button and subscribe. That means a lot to me. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week, same time, Sunday 7 PM UK time, for Crypto DEGENS. Thank you very much, guys. Goodbye.